Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Real Outdoor Adventures. It's Friday. Yay! That means it's time to ride. So, I am out here riding my Tank 200 motorcycle scooter, and we are at the Webb's Ferry Boat Launch, which you guys may recognize. It's my favorite place to take a break on this particular ride. And if you remember me telling you, there's this road I've been nervous about going down. I'd really like to show you guys what's at the end of this road. I've been down here before. There's a beautiful view. Can't remember if there's gravel at the end of the road, if it's a steep hill getting up and down it, if there's a place to park. But today we're going to find out because I really want to show you the view that's at the end of this road. Before I take you along on my journey, I just want to remind you guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that huge subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, a new adventure, and don't forget to hit that big thumbs up. I appreciate your support. Now, let's go on this ride. Here we go. That was a little bumpy and wavy. Yes, there is a parking lot. Alright, we made it. I have parked the scooter and now I just gotta walk down this stairway and down the ramp and I'm gonna be able to finally show you guys what's at the end of this dang road. Alright. Here we are. Nothing but mountains. Whew. I forgot there is a trail here that leads to that little platform. So you can walk over to that platform, get a better view. But I can get a good view from the dock, so I'm on the dock right now. It's bouncing up and down as I record, but look at all the mountains, you guys. Completely surrounded. Beautiful. Just a nice little stop, nice little place to take a break in the middle of a ride, don't you think? So anyway, that's going to be it for my Friday afternoon ride with you guys. I'm glad you joined me on my journey. And I will see you in the next adventure.